Kumar Sarma, National President of Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha. My left side is Sri Arumugam Madhesh, State President of Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha, Tamil Nadu State. And Mr. Uday Kumar, Secretary, Tamil Nadu State. Mr. Saravan Ponnuswamy, and behind us, our lady leader of Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha. Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha is the oldest political party of India. It was established in 1882 by our great freedom fighters. After the Hindu Mahasabha, in 1885, Congress was established. 1915, Muslim League was established, and 1925, Communist Party of India was established. Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha is the political party who established the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh in 1925. All the great leaders, freedom fighters, and our kings of different states were part of Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha. In 1915, on the day of Vaisakhi, at Haridwar, Uttarakhand, all the branches of Hindu Mahasabha get together and a national political organization Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha was established. Its main aim was to free India, independence of India, establishment of Hindu Rashtra in India, and welfare of all Hindus and Hinduism. Our great freedom fighters fought with English people, and India got independence due to a struggle of Hindu Mahasabha leaders. Our leader, Mahan Digvijay Nath, Dada Guru of present UP CM Adityanath, was the person who was booked for the idol of Ram Lala, cooking idol of Ram Lala at the first site of Lord Rama in Ayodhya. Our Hindu Mahasabha leaders faced criminal charges for establishing the Ram Lala as the birthplace of Ram. We found cases in the local courts, Hyderabad District Court. We won the case. We then found the case in Lucknow bench of Allahabad High Court. We won the case, and then we won the case from Supreme Court. And after winning the case in Supreme Court, the Supreme Court ordered the central government to establish a trust for construction of Ram Temple in Ayodhya. Ram Temple was built. Our Prime Minister inaugurated the Ram Temple on 22nd January this year. We are happy that Lord Temple was established at the place of Lord Rama. Now we are struggling for establishment of great temples, grand temples at the site of birthplace of Lord Krishna in Mathura and Baba Kashi Vishwanath Temple in Kashi. We are fighting for this. We are creating awareness in the masses, in the Hindus, for constructing grand temple at Mathura and Kashi. Our main aim is to establish a Hindu nation, constitutionally a Hindu nation, protection of cow slaughter on the all India basis and for common civil code. Even though there are different civil codes in our country, so we want that a common civil code is enacted in our country, so that there should be a common law for all the citizens, including Hindus, Muslims, Christians, for all. One civil law should be enacted by the government of India. We are putting pressure on the present central government. We were putting pressure on the erstwhile central government for enactment of common civil code. And we have confidence that the government who is coming to power in our country on 4th of June will enact a law for common civil code. We fought elections of Lok Sabha in some states. Our state president, Shri Arupam Madheshji, is fighting in Dharampuri Lok Sabha constituency in Tamil Nadu. The election was held and result is awaited on 4th June. We have fielded some candidates in all over the country in different states, and our main aim to establish a Hindu nation for changing the constitution of India for a Hindu nation in our country.